Hey guys, welcome to a video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how to get stretch res in Season 11 or Chapter 2 Season 1. Now this is after the update that came out on the 23rd of October 2019. So the update just launched, and my old stretch res, what you could do is have stretch res in the game, but your monitor could be actually 1920 by 1080. So when you exit the game, your monitor would be the same resolution. That's not the case anymore, but technically it's still the same thing. So first what you want to do, you want to hit Windows and the R key and write up data. Should come up with this. Now you want to hit local, find Fortnite game right here, saved, config, Windows client, and click on game user settings. Make sure it's off read only. Now you want to go here and click edit, find, and write whatever resolution you have right now. So I have 6056. If you can't find that, just write 1080. So now you want to change the 1920 to whatever you have. So change that to 1440, 1440, and do it to these bottom ones here. 1440, 1440. Now hit save. Now make sure you do read only, so Epic Games can't actually change anything. That's it. Now this is a laptop guide. I don't have a laptop, I have a PC, but for laptop users, what actually happens is if you use the AMD built-in display thingy, so if I click on my Radeon settings, if I go into display, if you try making one and try clicking it, your screen will go black and say HDMI out of sync, and you have to boot into safe mode and do all that. So what you can do instead, you can actually just use CRU, custom resolution utility. So I'll have the link in the description, or you can just write custom resolution utility. It's completely free. Click on the monitor test, find download. If you can't find it, hit Control F and write download, and it should be highlighted in orange. Now click download here, open it, select all of these, paste them in a file such as this. Now run CRU. You don't need it running in the background. So it's my resolution that I have to play Fortnite, but I found that you can actually do OG ones like 1440p by 1080. So just do that, put your hertz to whatever you like it to, and make sure the arrow's at the top, then it'll be the recommended. So if I go into display settings, I'll show you what I mean. As you see, this is a recommended, as this was in the top arrow. But if we put it below, make sure 1440p by 1080 is at the top, right? And then we press OK, reset 64. So guys, we're back from the reset. It should say here graphics driver reset, that's why the recording stopped. But as you see, if we go into display settings, it will say 1440 by 1080, and that says that, but that's kind of yucky. So we're going to change it back to 1920 by 1080. Changes. Now the actual Fortnite should be stretched. But while you're actually playing the game, the background will be stretched. But once you exit the game, it'll go back to 1920 by 1080. So that's kind of neat. It might be bad if you're streaming, because the game might look like trash, but you know, it's all good. Okay, we're just waiting for this to load. Okay, this is what Fortnite should look like. Now, if you go into the game and it's not stretched, there's a simple fix you have to do. As you see, it's not stretched. It's actually quite normal. It's not how we wanted it. See if we go into settings. We want it to be full screen. Make sure it's full screen. If it's not full screen, I'm sorry if you guys don't like playing on full screen, because like I like to stream, so I like to stretch out. But hey, you can't do anything about it. But now it's actually in stretch res. This is the game. Now, all the icons of my second one have disappeared, as that's how it's meant to be. So as you see, this is stretch res. We're gonna hop into a creative game real quick. As you see, oh, nostalgic. Now FOV will be different. FOV won't be the same, but You get more FPS, stretch res, FOV doesn't get increased, by the way. And by the way, guys, as you see the video is not stretched to you. It looks more like a square. To me, the video is stretched to fit my monitor, but for you guys, it's actually not stretched. The video is just, it looks normal because the video has been squished in to make it look like it's native. To me, it's stretched, but to you guys, it should be as you see, I'm shaking the screen. It should be just, it should look normal, no stretch, anything. To me, it's stretched. I will find out how to fix this, as I use AMD Relive to do most of my recording. But once I do, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys later.